Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create CV in MS Word. First, open MS Word on your computer. Click on File, then select New. In the search bar, type Resume or CV and press Enter. You'll see different CV templates. Choose the one you like and click Create. Now start editing the template. Add your full name and contact information at the top. Then write your professional summary. Next, add your education details. After that, include your work experience. List your skills and achievements. You can also add certifications or references if needed. Adjust the font, size, and layout to make it look professional. Once finished, click File, then Save As to save your CV. You can also save it as a PDF for job applications. And that's it. That's how you create a CV in MS Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.